Good evening, my YouTube family. How is everyone doing tonight? Hopefully everybody's having a wonderfully blessed night. This is Robin Hood of Stock Talk with Jaime G. That be me. For those of you that don't know, well, now you know. I'm the guy that brings the latest, the greatest in them stocks for your radar. So hopefully your account and my account can go up in that dinero, in them dollars, guys. I am definitely not your financial advisor. If I look like him, I'm not. You gotta go find one, because I be not him. I'm just merely sharing my thoughts and opinions, guys. I invest in the stock market in my Robinhood account. Guys, if you can do me a big favor and help me out with the YouTube algo and destroy that like button and maybe hit that notification bell, guys, so you can be notified when I come through with the latest and the greatest. And most importantly, guys, it's free. It don't cost you nothing. Just merely 2 seconds of your time to give it that thumbs up or hit that notification bell. With that being said, guys, we're going to just get right into it, guys. We're not going to be too long, just long enough. Real quick, guys, I just wanted to briefly touch on a couple of the stocks that I had made videos on the last 3 videos, right, guys? That was Casa, however you want to pronounce it, Systems, right? It was up 2.87 for today, guys. And Oiim, right, which was a video I made on Thursday. Right, and they were up 4.1% on Friday, and they were up 5.79% also today, guys. But on Friday pre-market, they were up like 23.5% because they had some good news, and they shot up in the pre-market, right, guys? Boom! And then on the video I made on Wednesday, which was ticker HZO Marina Max, right, which is a boat company, guys, they have shot up $10 since in the last 3 trading days. So Thursday, Friday, and today they have gone up $10. Right. The point I'm making, guys, is don't count this guy out. I do my due diligence, guys, for you and for me. So both our accounts can go up in them dollar signs, guys. Right. I take my time out of the day every day to look up these stocks and to do radar, right, guys? So all I'm saying is don't count this guy out. Maybe check out the videos, you know what I mean, and go look them up and do your own research, and you might be surprised. You might gain a couple of dollars in your account. Not financial advice, right? Okay, now that that's out, all right, so we're going to be talking about O2 Micro International Limited, ticker OIIM. Who are they? Well, they're a semiconductor company, guys, currently going for $8.05 right now. Yep, you heard, $8.05. So it's not kind of expensive like AMD, going about almost $90. Taiwan Semiconductor, all these other semiconductor companies, guys, that are, kind of expensive, maybe a little too expensive for some people, right? So I found another one, guys, that's under the radar. Maybe some of you guys heard of it, maybe some of you haven't. But nonetheless, here it is, okay? So O2 Micro is a fabless semiconductor company that designs, develops, and markets mixed-signal integrated circuits. Its products include LED, general lighting, and display backlighting solutions, battery management and battery chargers, ICS, and DC power management products. O2 Micro's offerings goes into end products such as notebooks, TVs, monitors, smartphones, tablets, power tools, and electric/hybrid vehicles. Guys, basically everything that we use nowadays in the technology, right? As you said it, notebooks, TVs, monitors, smartphones, tablets, freaking EV cars, power tools such as, motor drills, and, you know what I mean? That's basically everything that is used in, whether it's construction, the automotive, electronics, everything and anything, guys, right? Its prudent move, O2 Micro de-emphasizes the highly competitive smartphone business. It is leveraging this know-how into growth areas where, it is leveraging the know-how into other growth areas where it is differentiated. Our microcontroller-based intelligent battery management technology can help customers solve challenging problems. The Stifel analyst Tor Sandberg said in a note. Analyst Tor Sandberg, yeah. In early February, the company reported 30% year-over-year growth in fourth quarter revenues to 23.2 million, guys, and earnings per share that doubled to 14 cents. The company guided first quarter revenues to 22.3 million, right, to 24.6 million, and estimated 43 to 58% year-over-year growth, right? The company shares are listed on the Nasdaq and on the Hong Kong Exchange, guys. Sell side coverage is limited to on the dual listed company. Right, the average analyst rating for the ads of the O2 Micro is a buy, and the average price target is $20. Suggested over 200% upside potential, guys. Right, that is just one of the analysts. Right, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what another analyst or three other analysts actually gave price targets on these guys. Right, guys. So you know what I mean. Like I said, I wanted to share this one with you guys, right? Because it's a cheaper semiconductor company, right? They do a lot of other things as well, right? So, O2 Micro, it gained 7.91% today, right? During the day, it fluctuated, guys, 12.19% from the day low of $7.71 to the day high of $8.65. Then it pulls back to $8.06. Guys, with $8.06. Its 52-week high, guys, is at $11.25, right? Which was, I believe, I forgot I think it was like a month ago. If I'm wrong, correct me on it, guys, down on the comments down below. But about a month ago, guys, they hit that $11.25, which was their 52-week high, guys. So they obviously can go up. You know what I mean? No problemo. They have a market cap, guys, of $226 million. Its first level resistance is at $8.52, right? And that second level of resistance is at $8.92. And that third level, guys, is $9.16. And then after that, hopefully it's to the moon, as we like to say. If you own shares, right? Not financial advice. I own 25 shares. I picked up 25 shares up this morning, guys. I think it's a great either short-term or long-term play, however you guys want to play it, guys. It's first level. Oh, yeah. Last week, right, guys? It was up. I can't even read my dang notes, guys. Where am I at here? Oh yeah, it's first level of support, guys. $8.24. So, right, guys, it's sitting in between that first level of support and that first level of resistance, right? 852 is the level of resistance, and 824, and there it's sitting at $8.05. So it's basically right in the spanking middle. It can either go up or down, but from what it looks like on the charts, it's going to be going up, right, guys? But do your own research. And that second level of support, guys, is at $7.75. And that third level, if it continues to dip down, right, guys, is at $7.03. But in my opinion, I do not see it dipping any lower. I think it will continue to go up, especially with what's going on with the shortage of semiconductors and so on and so forth, right, guys? Like I said, I think this company is under the radar, being that it's not a big company, like I said, like Taiwan Semiconductors or AMD, guys. In the last week, they were up 15.8%. In the last month, it was down 14%, guys. Just like a lot of these other companies, most companies, right? A lot of companies were down when we had this correction. They were down 14%, but that's still not too bad, right, guys? The last 3 months, they were up 8.1%, and over the last year, guys, 632%. So, in the last year, 2020, they're just cruising up, 632 cents, under the radar, just gradually cruising their way up. 632%, guys, is a very good return over the year. Just think about if you had put $1,000, and if you would have got a 632% return on that $1,000, do the math. That's pretty good. Okay, 3 Wall Street analysts gave it a strong buy with a price target of $11 on the low, which would be a 32% increase, guys, and $20.50 on the mean, which is 146%, guys, right? And that other analyst that I briefly read in the beginning, right, they had gave it a price target of, what was it, $23, right, guys? But these Wall Street analysts give it a price target of $30 for the high. That's a $260% increase, guys. That's not too bad. You know what I mean? Their earnings revenue are forecasted to grow 41% per year, right? They became profitable this year, right? Which is good of any company that's profitable, guys, right? In return versus industry, right? They exceeded the U.S. semiconductor industry, which returned 82%, guys, right? As opposed to O2 Micro is 600 and where is it at here? My notes. I can't even read my notes today, guys. I am so sorry. 632%, right, guys? So they made 632% for the year, and the semiconductor industry only made 82%. So they blew them out of the water, guys. In earnings versus market, O2 Micro earnings of 39.8% per year are forecasted to grow faster than the U.S. market of 19.21% per year, guys. So analysts are predicting it to from here on forward for the next year, to grow at 39.8% per year for their earnings, guys. Analysts predict revenue of 95 million in 2021. If met, it would reflect a 30% improvement in sales, guys, right? So they're predicting it, guys, to make $95 million in revenue for this year. That's not too bad, right, guys? And revenue for 2020 was 78.33 million, right? And their earnings was 6.12 million year over year, which is 7.8 profit margin, right, guys? So that's not bad for 2020, considering we had a global pandemic going on. I'm sorry, guys, if you can hear my dogs. They're right here. I have I have 3 Papillons, guys, right? 2 males and 1 female. Blanca, Bear, and Bandit. Just want to throw out there. You probably can hear them because they're right here fighting, play fighting right here in the room with me. They follow me everywhere, guys. Let me see here, guys. Yeah, so statutory earnings per share are presumed to soar 175%, guys, to 36%. Before last updated, analysts forecasted revenue of 80 million, not 95 million in 2021, guys. So they bumped it up 15 million more dollars, guys, right? So they were predicting $80 million, guys, but analysts changed their forecast to 95 million, right, guys? That's obviously bullish, super bullish, right, for a company, for them to obviously up the amount of revenue that they're going to make in a year. And 15 million at that, that's pretty good. And it's forecasted revenue of 80 million, not 95 million in 2021, and 18 cents per share and not 36% per share. I think I read that wrong, guys. I wrote that wrong, guys. Sorry about that. So we can see, right, there's a pretty clear increase in analyst sentiment, right, which is a bullish sign, right, guys? So like I said, guys, the sentiment of these 3 Wall Street analysts, right, they bumped it up, right? So they are seeing obviously better improvement in this company, right, from sales and earnings and their revenue, all these great things going on. And there's other stuff, right, guys, that I could have read, news articles, but I didn't want to take up too much time. I just want to try to make my videos a little shorter, guys, because I see that I can labor on and on these videos, and I apologize. I'm trying to make them 10 minutes or less, guys. They have been profitable, guys, for the past 5 years, growing earnings at 44% per year, which is extremely good. They are debt-free, right? And they have been debt-free for the past 5 years. That is extremely good, guys. There's a lot of companies that, they're still in debt, right, guys? But they've been debt-free for the past 5 years, right? I'm going to give you a little quick ownership breakdown, right? General public, right, which is retail investors such as you and I, right? They own 60% of the company. Institutions own 26.9%. Hedge funds at 7.1%. And VC/PE firms own 5%, right, guys? And the big dogs that are invested in this is Renaissance Technology. They're a pretty big hedge company, guys. Hedge fund company, for those of you that don't know. Look them up. They're pretty big. So, get down, guys. Get down. My camera. Sorry, guys, about that. They own $17.3 million worth of shares, guys. Bank of America owns $9 million worth of shares. Morgan Stanley, $7.2 million worth of shares, guys. That is all I had for you guys today, guys. Like I said, ticker Oiim, O2 Micro. They are a semiconductor company, guys. Wanted to put this one on your radar. They're, at $8, guys, so it's definitely within price range. It's not too expensive. They're not too cheap, but it's not too expensive either, guys. If you found this video useful, guys, please like and subscribe. It helps me out with the YouTube algo, and it's free, guys. It is super free. Show me some mad love. I take time out of the day for you and I, guys. In time, they will grow. Hey, as you can see, my subscribers are growing, guys. I got 49 subscribers now. Whoop, whoop. That's a freaking accomplishment, guys. I'm freaking proud of myself, and I'm happy, guys. But anyways, you guys keep getting that subscribe out, guys. Keep giving me a thumbs up. I mad appreciate that, the love, guys. I'm all tongue-tied because I'm all excited, guys. But anyways, you guys have a wonderful, blessed night. This is Robin Hood Stock Talk with Muhammad G. Until tomorrow, hopefully you guys have a green day in the markets. Peace.